Alright, so we got one more object to make, and this is number 11. So we're going to create a 2D sketch on a plane, and we're going to create a rectangle with the dimensions of 4 by 2. Alright, and we're going to extrude it up 2.5. Alright, and for this object, we're going to have to create two different sketches and use the loft tool. So the first sketch is going to be on this front face, and what it is going to be a triangle. Okay, I'm going to create a line, and I'm going to make it a construction line because we don't actually need it, it's just going to be a reference. So I'm going to click on the construction, and I'm going to snap to the center point of this rectangle. And to do that, just scroll over the bottom line and you'll see a green dot. That is the center point. So I'm going to go straight up, and I'm going to create a line that's 0.5 tall. Okay, and now I'm going to create a triangle from the corners to this here as a regular line. So I'm going to click on line and unclick the construction. I'm going to click on the corner, goes to my construction line, and then from there up to the other corner, and I'm going to close it. Alright, and now I'm going to finish that sketch. I'm not going to extrude anything because I got to make one more sketch, and that's going to be in the back side. I'm going to create a sketch there. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to do a line, and I'm going to do a construction line. Click on this corner from the left, go directly to the right, a total of 1. Do the same thing on the other side. Click on line, go to the left, 1. And I'm going to make a line right down the middle and move your cursor over until you can snap to the center point. All right, once you get to the center point, make a line going down 1. And now I'm going to create a line, a normal line, so I'm going to unclick the construction and I'm going to connect the dots to make my triangle. Alright, so now what this does, it gives us 2 solid shapes that we made, and now what we're going to use is called the loft tool. So up here under create, we're going to click on loft. In order for loft to work, you need to have 2 sketches, at least 2. So I'm going to click on my first sketch, this triangle. I'm going to look at the other side now, and I'm going to select this triangle as well. Okay, and right now what it's wanting to do is extrude it to each other, so we need to change that. And just like when we want to cut a hole or a slot out of something, we're going to select cut right here, and then click OK. And what you see now is what the shape should look like. It lost from this triangle up to this side here to make it look like number 11. Thank you.